Hi there, I'm Alistair Slowly from Construx Software, and today I'm going to talk about a technique I use to help the team figure out when they have reached consensus. And this technique is called the decider, and it's from a set of protocols, communication techniques called the core protocols. Some people also call it the Roman vote or the UpDown vote. So when the team needs to figure out when they've reached consensus on something, the Scrum Master or the facilitator can use this technique to help the team figure this out. And here's how it works. The Scrum Master counts down from 3 to 0, 3, 2, 1, 0. And when you as an individual on the team agree with something, you give an upvote. When you disagree with something, your answer is no, you give a downvote. And when you're kind of just along for the ride and you don't feel passionate about either way really, it's a sideways vote. So when would you use this technique when you're trying to figure out consensus of the team? Well, one example might be for the team figuring out their definition of done, or perhaps a working agreement. After the team's completed their definition of done, their working agreement, the Scrum Master would say, okay, team, let's commit to this working agreement. Let's do a decider vote, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hopefully everyone says yes. If everyone says yes, or sideways, they're going along for the ride, then there you go, the team's agreed, they've reached consensus. Now, if somebody on the team, because you're using the consensus model, says no, well, it's up to the facilitator, the Scrum Master, really to talk to that person, expose their issues, and help the team reach consensus. So there are some facilitative issues that might need to be addressed, especially if you're using this technique in the consensus model. Where are other places where you might use this model? I also use this model in the sprint planning meeting. When the team is committing to PBIs for the sprint backlog, after every single PBI we discuss for inclusion into the sprint, I do an up-down vote. Hey team, can we include this PBI into our current sprint? Let's do a vote, 3, 2, 1, 0. I need every single person on that team to either say, I'm along for the ride, or yes, to commit to that work. If anybody says no, we have to have a discussion about why not. Where's another place where you might use this technique? Well, for example, you might use it in the review session where you're asking the product owner, hey, product owner, do you accept or reject this work? Yes or no. Now, this is all based on the consensus model, everyone on the team agreeing with each other. You can also use it in a democracy setting where you have the entire team together and the Scrum Master is just trying to get a feel for the general temperature of the team. Hey guys, how do we feel about this particular item? 3, 2, 1, 0, and they can kind of gauge how the team feels about this concept or topic. So there you go, that's how you use the decider, the Roman vote, the up-down vote. Happy voting.